Are there any ATM near your house?
Yes, there are. There is an ATM near my house.
Are there any schools around your house? What schools are they?
Yes, there are. There is an elementary school and a high school.
Are there any shopping malls in your hometown? What are they? Are they big?
No, there are any shopping malls. There are only small shops.
Are there any dolls, toys in your bedroom? What are they?
Yes, there are. I have dolls and teddy bears.
Are there any game apps on your phone? What are they?
Yes, there are. I have Mobile Legends and Blockbuster.
Is there any drinking water near you now?
Yes, there is. There is a bottle of water on my table.
Is there much noise around you now? What noise is that?
Yes, there is. I can hear whistles and people talking.
Are there any posters in your bedroom? What posters are they?
No, there aren't.
Are there any stinky shoes and socks around you? What shoes, socks are they?
No, there aren't. Everything is clean.
What electronic device are there in your house? How many TV are there?
There are a TV and refrigerator and smartphone. There is on TV.
How many people are there in your family? Who are they? What are their names?
There are 4 people in my family. They are my father, mother, me, and my younger brother.
How many girls are there in your class? How many boys are there?
There are 10 girls and 12 boys.
How many chapters, units are there in this book? How many pages are there?
There are friends chapter are 285.
How much money is there in your wallet now? How many cards are there?
There is about 50,000.